Add the chicken to boiling water and you'll never want to fry it in oil again. Here, I used 500 grams of chicken drumsticks. I added them to boiling water and then let them cook for about 2 minutes. After that time, I uncovered and now I'm going to season them, guys. The seasonings can be to your preference, but I used a spoonful of garlic powder, a spoonful of sweet paprika, a bit of black pepper, and a little salt. Once this is done, cover it until the water reduces. When it's like this, we'll give it a light stir, and now we're about to add a little soy sauce. I will also add a tablespoon of mustard and a tablespoon of honey. Now we're going back to stirring. Add just a bit of water and let it reduce again. When it reaches this point, guys, it's ready. Now just transfer it to your preferred dish and enjoy. And look how amazing this chicken is. Super quick, easy, and delicious, and best of all, without having to use oil. Make it at your home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you liked it. This was another recipe here from the poor man in the kitchen. That strong embrace. See you next time, and thanks.